With Slack and Lucid, you can speed up the way you collaborate. In this video, you'll learn how to set up the integration, get notifications and use shortcuts to create new Lucid documents, access and preview your Lucid documents via Slack, and finally, summarize those documents using Lucid's AI features. To set up your integration, click the Integrations button from your Lucid homepage. Navigate to the search bar, type in Slack, and then press Enter on your keyboard. Next, click the Slack icon, navigate to the Connect button, and click once more to open the dropdown. From here, you'll be able to connect to Lucidchart, Lucidspark, or both. Make your selections and follow any instructions that appear. When everything is set up successfully, Lucidchart or Lucidspark will open in Slack. You'll automatically receive Slack notifications about new comments, shares, and document requests. But if you want to customize these settings further, click on your profile and select Account Settings. Then navigate to the Notification Settings tab and make any adjustments under the Slack Notification Preferences section. Save additional time by creating new Lucid documents from right inside of Slack. Just type the / key in the chat followed by the word Lucidchart or Lucidspark. Add a title, and then press Enter. A window with additional options will then appear. Enter your information, make your selections, and then click Create to share your Lucid document with others. You can also choose to invite others to collaborate from within Slack. Just click the Share button, and then type the @ symbol to invite an individual or the # symbol to invite a channel. Once you've added collaborators and set their permissions, click Invite. Anytime a Lucid document is shared in Slack, it will be converted into a board that can be searched for and accessed from right inside of Slack, making finding documents easier than ever. And whenever you share a Lucid document in Slack, you'll also have the option to summarize it with AI. This is great for providing an overview to your colleague before they actually jump into the document, and is particularly helpful when working with bigger boards and diagrams. That about covers the essentials to set up your integration and use its unique features to collaborate and communicate effectively. To learn even more ways you can speed up your team's workflow, visit us at Lucid Training Labs.